Yes, that Dr Malinga energy drink is a real thing. Dr Malinga will soon launch a range of energy drinks. Dr Malinga is one of the most energetic celebs in Mzansi and will soon have an energy drink range to match. The Akulaleki hitmaker told TshisaLIVE that energy drink brands have for years been sleeping on making him an ambassador, so he's gone on and made his own to compete with them. Wherever I go they ask me, Dr Malinga, where do you get all your energy? It has been like that for years. I should have been an ambassador for energy drinks, but none of them listened, and so I decided to create my own energy drink. The range, called Linga's Energy Drink, will be launched early next year, and Malinga is currently looking for investors to help distribute it across the country. This energy drink is owned by me and me alone. I will do it alone if I have to, but I would be very happy if people join me and become a partner. That is what I am looking for right now. The energy drink had already got the thumbs up from businessman and Amofia founder TshisaLIVE. For TshisaLIVE to give me his support is amazing. People like that know that you can't win alone and that we have to support each other. I have always supported him and Amofia. So, for him to support me shows me that he does not think I am a threat. Malinga has previously launched an entertainment company, car tracking company, music label, branded water, and even a range of condoms. He said the trick to being a successful businessman with many different products was to delegate responsibility. You have to treat each product range like a different company. You have to have people especially for that, with one boss at the top. In this case, the boss is me.